kwiragwo rwimbo ni dawa makiria hindi no thi ngima irahurana na murimu wa COVID-19. Dawa ino ni yagite kuona andu mendete kuina mari hamwe indi riu andu matirakuhaniriria. Nikio haria ruonekera gutiri uraria marigu ni kuruthia ugatahwo mai ciande ta uria atungati aya arwaru kaunti-ini ya Machakos merekereirie kamweke kau koneka. Ataramu a ugima wa mwiri nao marekira mukode ati rwimbo ni dawa na nikio mahete atungati aya arwaru kamweke kau ga kuina na kunogora ciega.
Zumba exercises ensures that we exercise in our bodies, we take care of our cardio system, we take care also of our fitness in regards of our muscles and the stretching, and science has also shown that it really releases stress and at the same time it increases the happiness level.
Atungati aya nao marahemberia kamweke gaka na moko meri magithie rimwe na kuna mweke uria uramateithia kunyihia mweke wao kugumirwo ni meciria kumana na arwaru aria matungataga.
And we really appreciate because the commitment shown by our nurses and all the other healthcare workers cannot be rivaled, and as we say, what we do cannot really be compensated money-wise.
Ataramu a ugima wa mwiri aria ni hamwe na atungati a arwaru guothe thiini wa thi nio maratongoria bara ya kuhurana na murimu wa COVID-19 uria wagagitie ituri ciothe cia thi, na aingi ao ni marwarite murimu uyu makirigita arwaru na amwe magakua. Guku bururi-ini aruti wira aria marwarite mari 72.
I'm happy to report up to this point, unless it has happened this morning, not a single healthcare worker from Machakos County has contracted COVID.
Na nikio maraheo kamweke gaka ga guthungutha kuona amwao ona matinukaga niguo mangikorwo ni arwaru matikagwatie ciana kana andu ao a hakuhi, na uguo guikara mari aika no kumongerere meciria.
So we are here for us to be able to promote the nurses and midwives, for us to be able to talk about the mental health issues, the stresses. We do not want our nurses to reach the issues of the burnout and the stress, because we really need to take care of them for them to be able to take care of the nations.
Na kuona bara-ini aria matararwa maugagiriria aria mari muhari-ini wa mbere niguo maiyukio uhotani, nitukiugiriria na gukungwira ataramu aya a urigiti niguo matuteithie bara-ini ino ya COVID-19. Onawe ndukareke rurire thi, nituthie rwimbo handu-ini ha Inooro TV. Njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.
Excellence,